Happy Christmas, everyone. I am Florence Nightingale with our last tuppence of thought for the year. What a jolly and sacred time this is, and yet 'tis not always so in the nurse's lounge. Mr. Moderator, would you please read today's question?
Thank you, Miss Nightingale. This question's from a listener who sounds a little bit upset. Miss Nightingale, what do you have to say about nurses bullying nurses?
Ah, yes. Distressing. Very distressing, I would say. Generally speaking, the problem is based on immaturity. I'm speaking here of spiritual immaturity, of course. If you find yourself an object of slanderous talk, first, I wish you would consider the source. The person or persons may be jealous for some reason or suspicious of any change you propose, because some people find solace in familiarity, and some people are merely adverse to forward thinking of any kind. I'm quite familiar with this kind of opposition. And if you ask my advice, I would say ignore them as you would an impertinent child. Do not stoop to their level. Continue functioning as a team player, with the best in mind for those you serve. That is, of course, the patient. The golden rule should be liberally employed in every aspect of our lives. By so doing, you will, as the scriptures say, heap hot coals of kindness on their heads, because against kindness there is no law. Indeed, it should be your weapon of choice at all times. And now, if, despite your efforts, you find the situation unbearable, my advice is to pray and seek wisdom and guidance as to whether this is indeed a door closing for you. As Proverbs 16:9 tells us, man plans his steps, but God ordains the path. Perhaps your Christmas present shall be to find a new window of opportunity open. Oh, trust me on this. Upon your deathbed, this dilemma will seem insignificant. A tempest in a teapot. For now, trust God and make no excuses. I wish you all a blessed Christmas season. Until next time, this is Florence Nightingale. May God bless you, my beloved.